technology solutions that should scale and adapt to the future, and the relationship that lasting for a long time, and India's industrial manufacturing system and the trend in the manufacturing sector in India in the midst of a radical transformation, the smart manufacturing process and the utilities and applications of artificial intelligence, the connected sensors and the robotics applications, the smart technology adoptions and the advanced data analytics processes. All this, along with 3D printing and new material and automated workflows that is redefining the operational efficiencies and the efficacies of the manufacturing sector in using those technological solutions and the advancement using those technology, the smart manufacturing system is enhance its capacity, the productions along with the efficacies and redefine structural and operational efficiencies. It also making the possible new business models, the product and the sensors that processes those previously are thought difficult to implement. The Make in India mission that relies heavily on the technology that forwarded those ventures that turn the country into a global production hub, or you can say the global manufacturing hub, and those ecosystem for the manufacturing sector with advanced technological application and the favorable parameter that is coupled in such a youthful population and the domestic demand and considerable return on investment, the high return on investment and the domestic feature that in India is emerges as an exciting new incubator hub for the industrial revolution 4.0. Some important changes that come in order to make those Make in India as a successful campaign. The first, that is the supply chain integration that will reduce the production time and the wastage, leading to the substantial cost savings, the cost cutting policy that it will also create the digital flyover for the distribution and the delivery, the real-time processing of the historic data that encompassing those entirely and those incidents that across the production cycle that will also predict the failure as well as improve the current processes that is involved to make the Make in India a successful campaign. Environmentally conscious production within a low carbon footprint, the lesser resource utilizations, and zero emissions, and net zero carbon emission that is pledged by the government to be fulfilled by 2070, the next 50 years, and that will be considered as an ideal for the Make in India campaign to some extent. That is a project that will integrate the supply chain, production time and wastage, along with that and the durability tech advanced material that linked to computational engineering and become a mainstream. On the other hand, some challenges is also there in this project, that is the IoT and the IT that is operate under the different protocols, and the complexity and the cost that is associated with the same will subsequently increase for the smart factories, and the enormous data that is collected, stored and processed that stands the risk of theft or leakage, and that leads to the subsequent losses of the competitive edge and the power deficit situation in India that has left the industrial sector with some serious reservations regarding the production continuity and the efficiencies. Enabling those technology and the utility of those technological advancements and those components make them a successful as the Make in India project And the smart factories that are the key component, along with the maximized productions with minimal human interventions or any other obstacles that are barrier to the mass productions and that are the horizon of those industry 4.0 that is relies heavily on advanced digital productions and the technology that not just the ability to implement these technologies but also that is capture the learnings that come from running and optimizing those smart factories using those smart applications and the features. The some factor that is associated with them that are the distributed cloud that gives the manufacturers the ability to be flexible, localized, and speed some operations that without compromising the quality standard of those manufacturing products or components, and using those components that give those best output and maximize those productions and artificial intelligence, smart automation, the robotics, and the machine learning that are instrumental in reducing the response time of self using those machines and the 3D printing that will also provide those provisions for the prototypes and boost the innovations without driving up the cost and the production time. The big data will also optimize the supply chain, provide the equality assurance and even predict the risk probabilities and secure the cloud-based ERP model that can improved by the cyber security and the booster to reduce the data breach and the threat that is created on that particular demand of mass productions under the Make in India campaign. The technology stack, the hardware, software, and the business applications that are in favor of their business. Just write and keep your customers happy. Your technology will need to integrate and work seamlessly with your existing infrastructures. So it augments and amplifies the previous IT investment. The solutions that are easily and quickly deployed that substantially accelerate your time to the market and drive those quick returns. And the cloud native solutions, the application that is similar to the cloud applications and that is the same functionality and feature with some associated cloud platform that offers you the unlimited elasticity at an unbeatable price, allowing learn what works for your business and scale fast. The agile framework, fast scalability, along with your business entity, and it is a technology and the transformational partners. Long-term sustainability is a key, and you want the technology solution that scale and adapt to the future and relationship that last the distance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.